Looking for a projector that can truly replace your TV? The NEBULA X1 Triple Laser 4K projector might be the ultimate game changer for home theaters in 2025. Let's start with what makes this projector stand out. It features cutting-edge triple laser technology with full 4K resolution, delivering a sharp, vivid picture with stunning colors. At 3,500 ANSI lumens, it's bright enough to use in most rooms, even with some ambient light. The 56,000:1 contrast ratio means deep blacks and incredible detail, making movie nights feel cinematic. Another highlight is its 300-inch screen capability. Whether you're watching sports, movies, or gaming, the massive screen size completely transforms the experience. Plus, the 40-watt stereo sound system with Dolby Vision support creates powerful, room-filling audio, so you don't always need external speakers. The projector also has a built-in micro gimbal and smart AI correction, meaning it auto-adjusts to give you a perfect picture on your wall, even if it's at an angle. Add an optical zoom from 0.9 to 1.5, and you've got plenty of flexibility for different room sizes. And with portable design, GTV smart system, and built-in Wi-Fi, it's more than just a projector. It's a complete home entertainment hub. But let's talk about some of the downsides. At this level of performance, the price point is definitely premium, making it a serious investment compared to budget projectors. Some users also note that while the built-in speakers are solid, for a true theater-like experience, a surround sound system still outperforms it. Finally, since it runs advanced features like AI and Dolby Vision, it's best used with a stable high-speed internet connection, which could be a limitation for some households. Overall, the NEBULA X1 Triple Laser 4K projector delivers jaw-dropping visuals and a theater-quality experience in a sleek, portable package. If you're serious about home entertainment, this could easily be one of the best projectors of 2025. If you're interested in checking it out for yourself, click the link in the description for a special discounted price. And don't forget, subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed.